What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage back on the video, man. Today, y'all seen by the title, we got my first pair of off-whites in my collection. I've been telling y'all that I got a pair of off-whites last year. They would have been in my top 10 sneakers of 2018, but they're just now getting here in 2019. So I feel like that should still be able to be in discussion for my top pickups for 2019, you feel me? So let me know in the comments below how you feel about that. But before we get into this video, before I show you these sneakers, before you skip to the shoes, make sure you subscribe right now. We're on the ground of 15K. We're right around the corner. 200 more away from 15K. That's just so awesome. That's so great. Thanks for everybody for all the love and support. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss another video, live stream, anything on the channel. So let's jump into these sneakers. All right, as y'all see by the box, we got the off-whites, man. You can just tell by the swoosh, you feel me? But none of this would be able to happen without my boy, DaRetroWizKid. He let me ship these off-whites from StockX to his crib. Shouts out to you, bro. Y'all go subscribe to his channel. I'll leave his link in the description box below. Tell him thank you from DeVintage, you feel me? All my subscribers watching this, go say thank you from DeVintage to the Shoeology, you feel me? Thank you so much, bro. But we finally have them, and yeah, I cannot wait, you know what I'm saying, to pull them out, to check them out. I already got them out of the box because I had to put my new mic up here. Shouts out to DaRetroWizKid again for the mic assist, you feel me? So he helped me out a lot. So on the box, you get the swoosh right here. What else did you see? And then you get this right here. You get the off-white shoebox, Beaverton, Oregon, USA. And then you get the Seed 2017. And then the size label. But you're gonna give the shoe away. Check it out right there. We got the 10 Nike Zoom Flies. So this colorway came out in pink and it came out in black. The retail price was $170. And of course I got my size 9. The fish colorway is black, white, cone, and black, man. So this is my first pair of off-whites. It's just a dope feeling, man. Like moving through the culture, like going through the sneaker community, being a sneakerhead, like you finally got a pair of off-whites, you know what I'm saying? This is a part of the new moves, part of the new wave, and I'm glad I'm part of that, you know what I'm saying? I finally got some off-whites, so it's a good feeling. Maybe a little bit of hype beast in it, maybe a little more sneakerhead in it, I don't know, but it's a dope feeling, man. So we're gonna pull them out real quick. So like I said, I got from StockX. You get this, you get the stickers. I got like 5, 6 of these, and then you get the little receipt. And inside, you got the inside out box, Nike right there, orange box. And yeah, we finally about to peel it open. Check the paper out right there, and let's get it. Bam, there we go, baby. I got the black Zoom Fly Nike off-whites, man. I finally have a pair of off-whites, and it's crazy because I just seen my man Sniper Jones got this pair, and I was like, damn, bro, I was supposed to have these before you, man. I'm supposed to have these shoes before. I bought these shoes the beginning of December. I'm just not getting them. It's all good. But yeah, here we go. Here we go, man. This is crazy, bro. Off-white teens in the collection, bro. Now I can finally say I got a pair of off-whites. You know what I'm saying? It's a dope feeling, bro. I'm telling you. So here go the shoe. Check it out real quick before I pull the other one out. I'm not gonna make this video too long, but you get the Nike check, and right here it's like a, what is this feeling? It's like a hard plastic right here. You can like scratch it. You can hear that. And then you have the little orange little tag right there. And it's pretty much a see-through pair of sneakers. I'm gonna do it on feet on this video as well because I got some socks that I wanted to see how it clashes with it and stuff like that because it kind of see-through in it. And then the laces, you got shoelaces, of course, on there. Check that out. And then here go to check the tongue out. Got Nike sportswear. Very, very fuego, man. It's just very dope, man. And the tongue is like crooked and see-through. Like I like the deconstruction of the off-whites. That's why I've been saying, like on all my videos, I want a pair of off-whites. I love the deconstruction feel to it, and I just like the new wave they got going on, you feel me? On this side, you got made in Vietnam with the little tag just about to come off, and then you have the little zip tie or whatever, and it says off-white class of Nike, I believe, and then C 2018 zip tie. And then on this side, you have the same thing you got on the box with the Beaverton, Oregon and stuff like that. Off-white, Nike, stuff like that. And then you get the little StockX verification tag. Check out the pull tab right there, man. And yeah, and then on the bottom of the shoe, you got foam, which is very, very fuego, man. I might put my little DeVintage or something right there, you feel me? Or DW, DeVintage where I don't know, man. I'm just like living up to the moment right now. I'm just trying to soak in this hype, this good sneakerhead feeling. Let me pull out the other shoe real quick. Oh, see, I did not know this came with extra laces, and I might throw these in there. It has the orange lace, the white with the orange saying shoelaces right there. Check that out. Yes, sir. I might throw these in there. I might do one black, one white, just so I can see how I want to do it. Here go the other shoe right here. Same thing on the side, but this one does not have a zip tie on it. So check that out real quick. yeah, man, got my first pair of Off-Whites. And it's crazy because I kind of feel like a hype beast because I never had a pair of Zoom Flies, but it's like, hey man, these are kind of like maybe the 4 cheapest ones. I'm not trying to say like I'm being cheap or nothing like that, but I just wanted a pair of Off-Whites and I didn't want to break bread. I didn't want to break that much bread on a pair of Off-Whites, so I got these for a good price on StockX. So shouts out to them. You go to the bottom of the box, or the inside of the box. Very, very fuego, man. I love it. I love it. I'm a part of the wave, man. I'm a hype beast. I'm hype beasting it up right now. Y'all let me know if y'all copped this pair of sneakers or pair of Off-Whites last year. Like I said, I bought it last year. I'm just not getting it this year, so it might be in my top 10 for 2019. I do not know. Let me know if you got them on StockX or you got them for retail, wherever you did. Let me know in the comment section below to get that discussion going. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the notification bell so you never miss another video, live stream, anything like that. Follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will be in the description box below. And go subscribe to my man DaRetroWizKid for the major assist, man. So shouts out to you, bro. I'm gonna leave this link in the description box below. And with all that being said, you guys, we're gonna get right into this on feet, man. Let's get it. Let's get it.